When people think about tech careers, they usually imagine visible roles. Software developers building apps, AI engineers training models, startup founders raising funding. But some of the most critical jobs in technology are almost invisible. You rarely see them trending on social media. You rarely see them featured in glamorous career posts. Yet without them, digital systems would collapse. These are the invisible jobs in tech. Platform reliability engineers who ensure systems never go down. Security analysts monitoring networks 24 hours a day to prevent breaches. Cloud cost optimization specialists who quietly save companies millions. Data governance professionals who protect data integrity and regulatory compliance. These roles do not generate headlines. They generate stability. As digital infrastructure becomes more complex, companies are realizing something important. Innovation attracts attention, but reliability protects revenue. When a platform crashes, customers leave. When data is breached, trust disappears. When cloud costs spiral, profitability declines. Invisible jobs are the backbone of digital operations, and their importance is increasing. In fact, as AI systems and cloud platforms grow more interconnected, the need for monitoring, governance, and reliability increases dramatically. The more advanced technology becomes, the more critical maintenance becomes. These roles may not sound exciting, but they offer long-term stability. They are harder to automate. They are deeply integrated into enterprise operations. And they are often less saturated than flashy tech roles. In the next decade, the professionals who quietly maintain digital systems may have more consistent careers than those chasing hype-driven roles. Not every high-value tech career needs to be visible. Sometimes the strongest positions are the ones no one is talking about.